So in this video, we are to cover all the PYQs of environmental chemistry from 2002 to 2021. So let's start. So here we are given a water sample of in which ppm level of various anions is given as chloride, sulfate, and nitrate, and we have to find out which anion will make water unsuitable for drinking. So we know that permissible limit for sulfate is 500 ppm, nitrate is 50 ppm, chloride is 1 ppm. So of course fluoride will make water unsuitable for drinking. Now pH of rainwater during thunderstorm. So during thunderstorm pH will decrease due to the formation of nitric acid. So BOD level of 4 ppm indicates clean water and 18 ppm indicates highly polluted water. We know that clean water has BOD level less than 5 and highly polluted has greater than 17. Maximum prescribed concentration of copper in drinking water is 3 ppm. BOD demand is amount of oxygen by bacteria to break down the organic matter present in a given volume of a sample of water. Now statement 1 is pH of rainwater is 5.6. This is a true statement. And statement 2 is if pH is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. This is also a true statement. The value of BOD is important for survival of aquatic life. This is a true statement. And optimum BOD value is 6.5 ppm. This is false because optimum value is 10 to 20 ppm. So DDT is a non-biodegradable pollutant. Regular use of fertilizer increases acidity of soil, that is ammonium sulfate. Actually, ammonium sulfate is a salt of strong acid plus weak base. Upon hydrolysis, provide H plus ion, which is responsible for acidity. Now, propellant for rocket is liquid hydrogen plus liquid oxygen. Type of pollution increases in day and presence of ozone, oxidizing smoke, and greenhouse gases are CO2, H2O vapor, and methane, ozone, and chlorofluorocarbons. Next is reducing smoke is a mixture of smoke, fog, and SO2. Now we have to find out statements. Methane leads to both global warming and photochemical smoke. This is a true statement. Methane generated by paddy field. This is a true statement. Methane is stronger global warming gas than CO2. This is a true statement because CO2 obtained in the environment, it is used in photosynthesis, acid rain, while SO2 has no such activities. SO2 has no such SO2 nahi, CH4 has no such activities. And CH4 is a part of reducing smoke. No, it is not a part of any reducing smoke. Now, gas released during anaerobic degradation of water, it leads to global warming, and the gas is biogas. Allotrope of oxygen is an important intermediate in formation of reducing smoke falls because reducing character is due to SO2. Gases such as oxide of nitrogen and sulfur are present in troposphere and contribute to formation of photochemical smoke. This is true false statement. Now, presence of ozone in troposphere will protect us from UV rays. Now, we have to find not true about ozone. In stratosphere, CFC is releases chloride free radical which react with ozone to give chlorine dioxide radicals. So this is a false statement because chlorine dioxide nahi, chlorine monoxide radicals are released, while all other statements are correct. In atmosphere, it is depleted by CFCs. Stratosphere form protective shield against UV radiation and toxic gas and react with NO to form NO2. Thermal power in plants leads to acid rain. Thermal power is heating of sulfur, nitrogen containing fossil fuels, example coal, SO2 plus nitrogen oxides, they will form acid rain. Now true false acid rain के बारे में बताना है. Can corrode water pipes? True है. Can damage structure made up of stone? True है. Cannot cause respiratory ailment in animals. This is false. It will cause. Not harmful to trees. No, this is harmful to trees. Statement One of assertion reason, ozone destroyed by CFCs in upper stratosphere. This is true. Ozone uh, holes increase UV reaching Earth. This is also true, but statement 2 is not the true explanation of one. Excessive CO2 in atmosphere leads to global warming. Air pollution that occurs in sunlight is oxidizing smoke. Species for photochemical smoke and NO2, hydrocarbon, ozone, and acrolein. One more question could be asked from this, that what are primary and secondary photochemical smokes? So we have NO2 and hydrocarbons as primary and ozone and acrolein as secondary. Then ppm level for metals is given as iron, manganese, copper, and zinc, and which will make water unfit for drinking. Similar question has been asked again. So we know that manganese is 5 ppm, and the limit for manganese is 0.5 ppm. Unfit as prescribed value is very less than 5 ppm. Now, pan is an eye irritant produced by photochemical smoke. Taj Mahal is disfigured and discolorized due to acid rain. Higher concentration of gases which cause stiffness in flower buds is sulfur dioxide. So not a common component of photochemical smoke. CF2Cl2 is not a common component. The upper stratosphere may ozone protect from sun's radiation, in which lambda region is 200 to 315 nanometer. Molecule with no role in formation of photochemical smoke is nitrogen. NaCHO can be written as CH2O. Several blocks of magnesium are fixed at the bottom of ships because it prevents action of NaCl and prevent iron from rusting. Now, incorrect reason for eutrophication is lack of nutrient is not a correct reason, while all others are the correct reasons. Now, statement one is non-biodegradable waste is generated by thermal power plants. This is absolutely correct, as non-biodegradable waste in turn produces fly ash, and biodegradable detergent leads to eutrophication. This is a true statement, right? So now condition for polluted environment is eutrophication. Layers of atmosphere between 10 to 50 kilometer above sea level is stratosphere, and layer of atmosphere in which clouds are formed and we live is troposphere. And troposphere is 10 kilometer. Condition for drinking water causes methanoglobemia is 50 ppm, greater than 50 ppm of nitrate ion. Actually, this condition is caused by nitrate ions only. So that's it. Thank you.